Listen. Stop for a second and breathe. When was the last time you felt the wind in your face? How that fresh cold breeze touched your cheek? When did you last get a taste of what's turned to filth with smoke fumes and the byproducts of cars and factories filling the lungs of everyone of us, feeling like swimming beneath the water we, asthma-stricken, lung cancer disease, pneumonia-induced, we drown above it. With a short breath, we kill ourselves with the very air we breathe. Grieve, for even oceans and seas, once full of life, are now full of trash. Waste now swimming with the tides, choking and killing fishes and sea turtles, oil spills bathing pelicans and seals. And have you heard about those whales full of plastic in their bellies? Now look up at the night sky and tell me if you can still see the stars, can still view the universe full of galaxies that we exist in, or is it clouded and lost in a blanket of wasted lights from street lamps and cars and buildings or whatever city you're in? Pity. Even the earth beneath your feet is no longer clean, once full of green plants, animals, you, me, now contaminated with human prints. Waste, sewage, pesticides, and fertilizers will fill the land with landfills until we run out of land. Short of a breath, 3 seconds of our existence came in the entire 24-hour lifespan of the earth. Now, it's not the same. For forested lands to poisoned oceans, and from starlit night skies to unbreathable air, we, to this planet we live on, were never fair. Earth has been screaming for far too long, and most of us have been too stupid to understand, too blind to see. Help me, save me, please care for me. Yelling, aching in pain and suffering from what we've done, from us, and from greedy corporations following the rule of gold instead of the golden rule. What a fool we are. Waking up from a nightmare, we created a planet filled with 71% water and 7.1% garbage. A planet where 92% of the population breathes toxic air. A planet that we have polluted. Now breathe. Stop pretending we're still okay and let us start working for a way to save this planet we're on. It must start today. Definitely we can begin healing what is left before we get to the era of this planet's death. For the future, the next generation, ourselves, our planet, salvation in a short breath.